What is good, loves? So this is the look I'm gonna be showing you guys how to do today. I really like the way it turned out. I feel like I could have done better though, but I want you guys to be the judges and let me know how I did in the comments down below. Now, before I get into the video, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe, turn your bell button on to get notified when I upload a new video. Check out my other channels. I also have a vlog and a prank channel. And don't forget to follow me on my social medias, which will be in the description box down below. Or I might put them right here somewhere on the screen. So don't forget, check that out. And yeah, let's get right into it. I just filmed an updated foundation makeup routine. Foundation, concealer, bronzer, blush, and all of that. I just filmed an updated one for you guys, so go check it out. The link will be in the description box down below. So we are here today and we're gonna create a look. I don't know what we're gonna do because this is not planned. All I did, turn the camera on, the lights, set everything up, and just put this palette, this colorful palette in front of me, and I'm like, okay, well, I'm gonna create something with it. I don't know what. I was going to look for pictures to get like inspiration, some inspiration pictures, but I didn't even get the time to do that. So I'm here and I don't know what I'm gonna do. Anyways, let's go ahead and get started. I already concealed my eyes, but I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit more concealer on top just to make it wet so the eyeshadows can stick. So I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit more. So you guys can see the true colors that we're working with. Alright, now I use this brush right here. It looks like so. It's by Morphe, and I just tap on this concealer so it'll blend in there in case any creases have created. Go ahead and just tap. It's kind of like setting it in place without powder. That's the way I look at it. So I'm gonna be using this palette right here, this Kara Beauty palette. It looks like so. All these colors, which one to use? Also grab this palette right here. So just so you guys know, I will be going, well, I'll show you guys, but I'm going to be going back and forth with this first palette I showed you guys and this palette right here, this one. Oops, it was backwards. This palette right here looks like so. I'm probably just gonna use 2 shades out of this one, which would be the teal and this one for my inner corner. I'm gonna go ahead and grab this brush right here, fluffy brush by Skinny London, and I'm gonna start off with, let's just go right into the blue, okay? I'm gonna grab this blue right here. Let me swatch it so you guys can see what it looks like. Where is it? This one right here. It's a turquoise blue. Here, let me show you guys exactly what it looks like. Looks like so. Alright.